the manufacture of Having high-tech multi-layer pipes. Everything starts with the state-of-the-art Having extruder. We're delighted to present the mode of operation of the extrusion line for the manufacture of PE pipes. Granulate, specially manufactured for Having, is fed via a hopper into the screw extruder. The material is conveyed in the longitudinal direction via the geometry of the screw. The granulate is simultaneously charged with temperature during transport to enable the PE material to be pressed at the end of the screw. A pipe is formed via special geometries in the extruder head. The calibrating unit is located directly at the inlet to the first pressurized cooling reservoir. The external diameter is shaped by the reducing diameter of the discs as well as their special layout. The wall thickness is defined via the extruder nozzle. A dimensionally stable pipe can only be manufactured combining temperature, pressure and speed. The pipe is subject to an ultrasound wall thickness check directly after cooling. The pipe is measured circumferentially at 8 different points as demonstrated. A laser-supported external diameter check is implemented directly after the wall thickness check. Thus, every millimetre of the pipe is subject to stringent checks. Of course, the data generated are constantly monitored and recorded directly onto storage media in accordance with Having's high standards. Large Having drums located at the end of the line carry up to 14,000 metres of PE pipe towards the next production step, the physical cross-linking, on one of Having's own cross-linking plants. Physical cross-linking a la Having. All PE-XC pipes from Having are subject to seamless leak detection. The freshly extruded PE pipes are filled with helium prior to the physical cross-linking process. A gas detector indicates when the pipes are completely filled. The pipes are then sealed at the ends so that the helium can't escape. The pipes are then transferred to the physical cross-linking system. The actual cross-linking process is implemented behind 2-metre thick concrete walls. The following physical process takes place in the shelter. The blue balls shown in the graphic are carbon atoms, to which hydrogen atoms, the 2 white balls, are attached. These molecules, arranged in chains, are polyethylene chains. They're bombarded with targeted electron beams. Single hydrogen atoms, H, are ejected from the PE chain. 2 hydrogen atoms come together to form a hydrogen molecule, H2. Each of the 2 unsaturated carbon atoms left behind in the chains form cross-linked bridges. This creates a 3-dimensional grid of polyethylene chains, physically cross-linked polyethylene, PE-XC. When the cross-linked polyethylene comes out of the concrete bunker, it first passes through the leak detection system. The pipe is still filled with helium. A vacuum is applied to the outside of the pipe. If even just 1 helium atom penetrates the pipe wall, the downstream gas chromatograph detects the gas and the pipe is appropriately marked so that the faulty spot can be removed later on during production. With this method of leak detection, our customers can be certain that the Having PE-XC pipes they receive are 100% tested for impermeability. The process heat in the pipes is removed in the subsequent cooling reservoir. The pipe is then wound back onto a large drum. Depending on the pipe size, these drums can hold up to 14,000 metres of Having PE-XC quality pipes, ready for further processing. 14,000 metres of quality. Intermediate film, heating, stretching. The desired effect is that the pipe can be subject to significantly higher pressure and temperature requirements because of the cross-linking. Thus, a flexible multi-purpose pipe has been produced, long-term proven in high-quality systems from several highly reputed system suppliers, best suited for the high requirements in today's heating and drinking water systems. PEXC pipes from Having. Such a PEXC pipe now becomes as the inliner, the basis for and the core of the high-tech multilayer MT pipe, which incorporates the positive properties of both metal and plastic. Its 5-layer construction makes it a form-stable matching part in installations. The PEXC inliner is fed into the production process from the large drum via a belt extractor. In the foreground, the aluminium layer is uncoiled as sheet material. The PEXC inliner is then coated with the second layer, the bonding agent, by the extruder. Subsequently, the pipe is measured, including the bonding agent. The aluminium belt, trimmed to the appropriate width, is now fed in and laid around the inner pipe using moulding rolls. The aluminium is butt welded in a TIG process. The quality of the welding seam is ensured via camera monitoring. The external dimension is checked once more, this time including the applied aluminium layer. The fourth layer, a bonding agent, and then the fifth layer, an external PEX layer, are applied in a special extruder head. The process heat is discharged via cooling. The look system is used for quality control. High-resolution cameras from Space Technology detect every surface irregularity. A further external diameter check rounds off quality controlling. Thus, it's ensured that no pipe leaves the production line unchecked throughout the entire production process. Client-specific texts, even featuring individual client logos, can be applied via inkjet at the marking station. On request, the metal multi-layer pipes are cut to length as rod or roll goods as required. High-grade pipe engineering, individually designed and manufactured. Just one of Having's many considerable strengths.